fifth example, we have the quantity of R implies Q implies P. Since we have three variables in the given logical statement, we have to use the truth table for three variables. As you can see, the terms inside the variables inside the parentheses is already given, and since it's already given, we can now proceed in evaluating the term inside the parentheses itself, which is R implies Q. So for conditional statements, if your truth values are T implies T, false implies true, or F implies F, the answer will be true. It will only be false if the truth values will be T implies F. We will now focus on the column for R and Q, and just like other examples, the variables is interchange. So, pwedeng i-interchange nyo siya in writing the truth table, or pwedeng you leave it as it is, pero you have to take note or you have to keep in mind na kailangan mauuna yung mga truth values ng R before yung Q. T implies T, the answer is true. F implies T, the answer is true. T implies F, the answer is false. F implies F, the answer is true. T implies T, the answer is true. F implies T, the answer is true. T implies F, the answer is false. F implies F, the answer is true. Now that we have the truth values for the term inside the parentheses, we can now proceed with the term outside the parentheses, and that is the whole logical statement. So we will just apply the same rule since same lang yung logical operator na ginamit, which is yung implies or yung conditional statement. So for this one, we will focus on the column for R implies Q and the column for P. Again, just like the previous one, nakabaliktad yung R implies Q before yung P. So, you have to take note na kailangang unahin yung truth values ng R implies Q before yung truth values ng P. So, for the first one, we have T implies T, the answer is true. T implies T, the answer is true. F implies T, the answer is true. T implies T, the answer is true. T implies F, the answer is false. T implies F, the answer is false. F implies F, the answer is true. T implies F, the answer is false.